We raise fresh escargot and produce a product that we call Snail caviar. It was in 2015 that I realized that no one in the US was raising fresh escargot, which meant that all the product in this country came out of a can or was frozen from Europe or Asia. And I thought that fine dining chefs shouldn't only have that option of canned escargot. They should have a fresher choice. So that's when I kind of set to work.
Taylor has a very unique product, and that's escargot, and you don't find that really in many places as far as someone growing them, and especially with such a very niche, unique product that he has, and he does it so well, and you can brag that it's from literally right down the road.
Our greenhouse is set up that instead of putting all the snails kind of on the ground, because it's a very small area, it's only 300 square feet, we've decided we built up. So we've got kind of these little snail high-rises that we call them, and with that sort of setup, we're able to fit 50 to 70,000 snails inside of the greenhouse. So our goal is just to get them into an environment as close as possible to the wild. If we don't have happy snails, then they're not going to be growing as quickly as they should be. They're not going to be producing the way we want them to. So it just makes sense to have happy snails. We believe that because of the care that we put into this product, it's worlds away better than a canned product. You know, it kind of has the flavor of a mushroom with the texture of a clam, and if you're okay with those two things, you're probably going to like escargot.
You don't have a very generic canned flavor that you have to manipulate quite a bit with more garlic and more seasoning. I think things taste great right after you poach them. The way I use it is just a little bit different than what you see normally. I do it inside of a ravioli. For some of the flavors that will really enhance the snail for some of their diet they've been eating, I enhance it with a saffron herb pasta inside with whipped ricotta to go really well with the snail, and then with some Pernod butter at the end to bring a nice anise flavor that pairs very well with all of those flavors together.
People have been eating snails for thousands of years, but there's very little info out there about how to raise them. They're kind of these mysterious creatures that are studied on like a biology kind of level, but never in sort of a farming sense. We were the first USDA-Certified snail farm in the country, and I believe there is one more on the West Coast in Washington. Yeah, we've made a lot of mistakes along the way and some good, triumphs and accomplishments, but we're still certainly learning as we do this.